Okay, so I hope you are well. I hope I find you well with this video. I just thought let me do a video. Probably this thing will also benefit others. I am hoping that it benefits others because times have changed and we are all trying to make some money, trying to feed our families, trying to pay the bills and things like that. I'm actually at the mall and I'm waiting for somebody. So I just thought let me quickly do a video whilst I am waiting. And hopefully, yeah, it helps you and I hope you find value from it. So do me a favor, like the video, leave a comment on what you want to learn in the next videos, and share the video with your friends so that they also benefit from this knowledge. Okay, so we were at a braai and I was chatting to some friends and we're discussing how we are going to continue making money now that this pandemic has been killing jobs and destroying livelihoods, really. So something came up about trading. I'm already a trader. I trade forex and I trade stocks. But anyway, I was talking about stocks. So we started discussing and I mentioned how I trade stocks from the United States. And the question was, how can I trade stocks from the United States when I'm based in South Africa? Probably many people don't realize it, but the internet has actually made it possible. You can trade stocks from the US, from the UK, from Japan, as long as you have got the correct broker and stuff. So most people think you can only trade the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the JSE. It's still a good stock exchange, but if you want to trade, those juicy stocks like Apple, like Adobe, like Boeing, those major US companies, you can still do that from right here in South Africa. So how do I trade US stocks? And again, guys, here's a disclaimer. These brokers that I'm going to give you, I am not endorsing them. So understand that trading involves a high level of risk and you might lose all your money. So understand that it's not just you making money. There are chances that you are going to lose all your money as well. That's important. So I'm not endorsing these brokers and I've not put them in any particular order. I'm not saying this is the best one. I'm not saying this is the worst one. You can find out by yourself. So yeah, here's the list of the traders that you can use, the forex brokers, not traders, the forex brokers that you can use to trade United States stocks from right here in South Africa. Okay, the first one is expert options. Okay, I'll leave a slide right now. So I'm placing a slide right now to give you some basic information about expert options. The other one is eToro. I'm sure you have come across, there are many adverts online. The other one is eToro, and here's a slide with some information on them. The other one is IQ options. IQ options is usually used by binary options traders, but you can also use it to trade US stocks. Here is a slide on them. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helps you. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, leave a like and leave a comment in the comments box below and tell me the kinds of videos that you would want to see. But yeah, because of the internet, because of technology, you are no longer limited by geography to trading stocks. You can still trade those famous US companies from right here in South Africa. You are not only limited to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange because you are based in South Africa. You can still trade the New York Stock Exchange, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. The world is now at your lap because of the internet. So yeah, look into these brokers, see what they want, what they require, and how you can deposit and withdraw monies. And importantly, do your research, look at what people are saying about these brokers online before you deposit money with them. Importantly, they must be registered with authorities, and people must not complain a lot about them. Of course, people might complain about a broker, I might complain about this, about that, but the complaints need not be about things like manipulating trades or failing to pay up people when they want to withdraw their monies. So they must be regulated and they must have positive reviews. So I hope this helps you. Again, if you like this kind of videos, leave a like and leave a comment in the comments box below, and I will make you content like this. Until next time, let's keep making the money. Okay, bye.